What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick update video on what I got going on with these batteries. So I got a bunch of these 6280, I forgot what kind of cells these are, but I got them on battery hookup. So I bought a box of 8 of these for a buddy of mine because we're going to be building it's kind of hard to see, but there's a pack out over there. We're going to be building a pack out portable power station. So I kind of spec'd them out a cool build. But anyways, the point of this video is I want to kind of show you guys these little cell holders I found and I was able to print. This one's incomplete because the printer went out of filament, but you can see a complete one right here. So this is one of 2 of these that I'm going to have, and they're going to be 2 in parallel, and we're going to 4 series those together to give them 110 amp hours worth of capacity. And then I also found kind of a similar thing for my headway cells. So these are really cool because they're going to be able to build some sort of headway pack. I think the first thing I'm going to build with these is an electric bike battery, just to kind of test these. And the only reason I haven't done anything with these yet is because I don't have any BMSs. I have 2 on the way, a 12 volt and a 4S and a 16S. So the 4S one, we can build a big 4S pack, test that. The 16S one we can use for electric vehicles, like, you know, electric bikes or little electric dirt bikes or something like that. Most of my stuff's 48 volt anyway, so I think that'll be the easiest way to go. But I really want to test these out and kind of do some range testing to see, you know, how many of these in parallel to get what kind of range and, you know, all that good stuff. So I'll take you guys over to the 3D printer real quick and I'll kind of show you how that works. All right, so here we are at the printers. So that's one of the cell holders where the bigger cells getting printed, and then here's the smaller ones getting printed for the headway cells. So I just kind of wanted to make this quick video, just kind of showing off what I got going on. I've made a video in a few days as far as like solar and all that, but here, I'll take you guys back in the living room. We can check that out. Alright, so we're back at the big battery pack. So we still have both solar generators kind of just sitting here. I am running the AC right now, so that's running right now. I decided to stick in the window. We've had a lot of rain lately, so when it rains I pull all the stuff out of the window so I don't have any problems with moisture. But I got this pack almost fully charged, and here I'll show you guys on the smart BMS. So yeah, we're at 83%, pulling 25 amps. And there's your cell voltages. So far this battery's been freaking awesome, this big old 5 kilowatt hour battery we built. And then this setup, I'll show you guys what this one's at. Let's see. And this is with a Victron Smart Shunt. 87%. And I'm actually using my little ISDT charger here to push power from this one into this one, because this one has more panels hooked up to it. This has about 200 watts of solar, this has 500 watts of solar. You can see them outside. I also rewired the panels. I was going to do a separate video about that, but I can just include it in this one. Oh, come on. I'll go outside. So the panels have been rewired. We're running 4 in series on the first charge controller, the 80 amp, and we're running these 3 in series on the second one. And these 4 are giving us about 450 to 500 watts. I think the highest I saw was just under 500 today. And then I have these other 2 over here that aren't connected to anything. So I would like to maybe do 2 strings of 3 for the. I would like to do 2 strings of 3 for those, for these right here. So 1, 2, and 3, and then do these 3. But I got to get more of these solar connectors right here. And then for this one, so those are the 2 Wheezy panels I got on Amazon. And then this 3rd panel, it's supposed to be rated at 180 watts. And then I have an extension cord I cut in half. So I'm using all 3 of the wires and per leg for positive and negative. And then it just runs into the house. So we still got to do something with this too, because this is kind of janky. I need to make some way to run the wiring to my charge controllers without having the windows open. And then same with the AC, it's pretty janky. My goal eventually is just run this for now, and I want to do a mini split maybe sometime next year, you know, for next summer. I don't want to get all the way through summer and then go install the mini split. It'd be kind of silly. But yeah, guys, that's kind of it. That's just a small update I wanted to do and show you what's going on in the Mike Builds Power world. So I guess that's it. Also, I've noticed I've gotten a lot of new subscribers, so if you're recently subscribed, thank you very much. I try to do a lot of DIY, solar power, batteries, and all that kind of stuff. So if there's anything specifically you guys want to see, I mean, you see what kind of stuff I've unboxed, and maybe we can build some other cool stuff in the future. And, you know, as I get video ideas, I'll continue to make content for you guys. But that's going to do it for today's video. Just a small update. So thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate all the subscriptions. I appreciate all the comments, and I do my very best to respond to everyone. So thank you guys very much.